Greetings. This video is for Egg Lab Day 1. I'm going to subject an egg to several different environmental changes. Before I do that, however, I have to do some measurements of the egg. The first thing I'm going to find is the mass of the egg. So we'll use this scale, and I will use my document camera. Because eggs are round, they're going to tend to want to roll. So I'm going to measure the egg in the cup. So it looks like the mass of this particular egg is 58.0 grams exactly. Okay. Also going to measure the long circumference and the short circumference of the egg. The long circumference of the egg would be measured around this way. So I'll do that and hold it up so that you can see what the long circumference of the egg is. It appears to be, here on the bottom of the tape, lining up with 15.8 centimeters. That's where that's lining up, 15.8 centimeters. That's the long circumference. Short circumference is around this way, and the short circumference appears to be lining up at about 14.4 centimeters. 14.4 centimeters. Now what I'm going to do with this egg is I am going to put the egg in the cup, and I am going to cover the egg first in vinegar and wait for 24 hours. So let me get the vinegar, be right back. Okay, I have my vinegar. I'm going to cover the egg in vinegar in the cup. And I'm going to let it sit in there for 24 hours. So to keep it kind of sealed in there, I'm going to put some saran wrap over the top and rubber band it. And then we'll revisit this egg in 24 hours and see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, egg is in the vinegar. Notice also that you can see bubbles on the edges of the egg, and the egg does not float in vinegar. It sinks to the bottom at this point in time. So we're going to set that aside for 24 hours, and we'll come back and do the same measurements again in 24 hours and see what happened.